everybody, it is a beautiful day, and I am headed to pick up a nuke. I ordered this nuke a few months ago, and it's ready today. So I'm going to get it and install it. Not right away, probably give them like 3 to 4 hours to settle down, and then I'll put them in their new home. We've been getting a lot of rain, so everything is super wet, and it's kind of cloudy right now. It's not supposed to rain today, but there is a chance, so hopefully not, because I planned on setting them on top of their hive and letting them do their orientation flight, but we will see how that goes. But super excited. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I got the nuke. I asked some questions from the person that I purchased them from. He said it is not an over-winterized nuke. It's a new nuke, so it's probably a split. And I asked about mite treatment, and she said probably August would be a good time to treat. Since there was a brood break, the mite population shouldn't be that high, so it's good to know. So I'm going to take them home, open the door, and give them some time to orient, and then install them. So that's where I'm at. I made it home. It was a long drive, and it was bumpy. As you can tell, it's windy. So I'm gonna put on a suit real quick, and then just the upper part, and then set the nuke where it needs to be, and let them chill for a couple hours, just so that way they can kind of calm down, because it was quite a ride. So I'll get them in place, and I'll show you. Here we go. Let's see if I can get this to where it just opens up. Watch your little legs, girls. Okay, the girls are out. Just like that, just lift it up and they're out. They seem alright. They seem a little irritated, but I mean, they have been in a box for how long? Who knows? So I'll give them about an hour or so. Let them get their orientation going on. And see, hey girl. This little girl right here is upset with me. Goodness. But yeah. The box was heavy, oh my goodness. Try not to squish any bees opening it too, so all looks good.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know.
It is so... You know, it was nice and calm today, and then it got windy out of nowhere. It's like anytime I try and get in the bees, the wind's like, bah!